Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Make sure your Oppo K10 is awake and charged above 15%. First, confirm safe mode is active by seeing Safe Mode at the corner. Once done, press and hold the power key until the power menu appears. Do not reboot yet. Next, touch and hold Power Off on the menu. This tells the system you want to exit the current boot option. Make sure to keep your finger down until the Reboot to Safe Mode prompt changes to a normal reboot option. Now continue the process. When the Reboot to Safe Mode prompt appears, release and then choose Restart or Reboot. You will see the device shutting down and starting normally. This clears the temporary safe boot flag. If the phone returns to safe mode, make sure a stuck volume button isn't held. Press both volume keys a few times and then reboot. Also, once you boot normally, check recently installed apps. One of them might force safe mode, so uninstall the last app you added if issues persist. Finish the job by verifying the safe mode label in the corner is gone. You should have full access to apps and widgets. If safe mode remains, perform a cache partition wipe from recovery to remove corrupted temporary files. This often resolves boot flags. Make sure to backup data before a factory reset if you choose that last option. Troubleshooting tip. If physical keys are stuck, clean or repair the volume buttons. Hardware faults commonly cause repeated safe mode boots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.